rewind how we started from the back and we ended to the front. Now we got it, and everything reciprocal. I was broke, I was ridiculed. Now I'm straight living, good times for new beginnings. Popping bottles with cuter women. Said a deuce, shorty fiending for some deuce. She just trying to ride this new wave. She just.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I want to shout out all my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard what I got here for y'all today. You know what I mean? It's another presentation by Hip Hop Bling. It's a small little Jesus piece with a lot of gemstones. Tell me what y'all like about it. You know what I mean? Give me a thumbs up. Give me comments in the comment section. Comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can. Now let's get right to the video. What's going on, guys? This is your boy Stevie D again, back again with another video. Now let's get right to it. Like I said in the video, I got another one from Hip Hop Bling. Now, what I will show you is this right here is a Jesus piece, and I'm excited about it only because not only would I be presenting this Jesus piece in a future video, I'll be doing a comparison with this Jesus piece and between this company and two other companies that I've previously reviewed for y'all before. Now let's get to it. Now, this right here isn't the box. This was just to show you that I got more than one piece from them. This is another chain that I got from them that I will be reviewing in the near future. But what I got here for y'all today is this right here. The Jesus piece that I ordered from Hip Hop Bling is right in this pouch right here. This is how it came. So let's see how this looks. The reason why I got this particular one is because it looked real different than any other Jesus piece I've seen before. And I was just, you know what I mean, a little curious on, you know what I mean, how it looked in person. It took a long time to get here, but I'm not knocking it. It was the holidays, and then you add that with COVID. We can't be mad at all. And for the price that I bought it from, I'm not too mad at it. You heard. So let's get right to it. This is the pouch it came in, and as y'all saw the other box with the other piece, it came in that box. Not a bad presentation, you know what I mean? And you already hear and feel that plastic, you know what I mean? As y'all know what I say about plastic. So let's see. Now, look at this thing. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I like this piece because it looks different, but not for nothing. If my eyes don't play tricks on me, if you can tell already, it looks like, you know what I mean, a CZ is missing out of it already. And I haven't even taken this out yet. I just got this in the mail, like, about maybe a few hours ago. You know what I mean? And how the heck can a diamond already be missing out of it? So thank God I didn't pay that much. Now let's get it out this plastic. As you know, plastic be the ops. But let's see if it only takes a second. Well, that wasn't so bad. Maybe plastic don't beat the ops, like I said last time. Or maybe it's just the kind of plastic. Good looking plastic. I'm going to put you down for 2 seconds. Now, look at this thing. I actually like it. Wait a minute. Let's see what they're trying to tell us on the tag. What Hip Hop Bling is trying to tell us that this piece right here is $163. And when I went to the site, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right to it. When I went to the site, this was listed for $99 on a Black Friday or Cyber Monday. And I had coupons and all of that. And I didn't have to pay nearly as much. Thank God, because I'm already seeing the flaws. Now, the only reason why I got this is because I like the concept of it. It's different. It's not bad at all. But it's kind of light. You know what I mean? Got a tiny bit of weight to it. But what I don't like already is that it looks like there's a CZ or two missing. And I didn't even do nothing yet. You know what I mean? So that is already putting them off on a bad foot. Now, I will say I bought other pieces from Hip Hop Bling, and this is the first time I've ever had a flaw from them, so I don't knock them. But this right here is just, you know what I mean, not looking great for them with this particular piece. I've got other pieces from them, and I like my pieces from them, so I'm not going to knock them, but this is not a good look. You know what I mean? Thank God I didn't pay the $99 or the 100 and whatever they're trying to say it cost originally, $163.99. Yeah, I did not pay that, trust me. But anyway, outside of the flaw, which I won't keep digging in on, this is a different style. And obviously, this is gold-plated, 14-karat gold-plated with brass and CZ stones. I got this because it looked different than any other Jesus piece I've ever seen before. I was curious, and I kind of like the idea of it. Not gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? It's just a little light, You know what I'm saying? Not bad for those who can't afford, you know what I'm saying, certain other jewelry, you know what I'm saying? But I don't think personally, and I'm just being honest, I gotta be honest to my followers, $163, basically $164 now. I don't think this is worth it, especially if it's gonna come with a CZ missing. You heard, you know what I mean? That could have been due to shipping. I don't want to blame them, you know what I mean? It could have been due to shipping or how it came. Maybe it came from a long ways because it did take a while to get here. I won't blame the site themselves, you feel me? But nevertheless, that's not a good look. But like I said, I got other pieces from them and they came way better than this. They look better than this. So I don't want to pin it all on them. It could have been the shipping's fault. Let's keep that in mind. Yeah, it was $99 on Cyber Monday, you know what I mean? And I paid less than that with a coupon code. Now, what I do like about the piece is these gemstones, you know what I'm saying? We know they're not real gemstones. Say it with me for you diamond connoisseurs. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Who cares? You know what I'm saying? We know these ain't real gemstones because if they were on top of real diamonds, it'll be darn near close to $1 million, maybe $100,000 or a couple $100,000 with all these stones in them. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody no fool. You heard. But yeah, that's why I got it, because I like the idea of the gemstones being in it. I like the idea of a slightly different kind of concept. You know what I mean? Nevertheless, if you ask me, I like the style of it. I like the concept of it. But the piece itself, you know, gold plated over brass, you can't be mad at that. You know what I'm saying? The style I like, but I don't think, even if everything came perfect, this would be worth $163. $64 rather. That's just my opinion. Y'all tell me what y'all think. You know what I mean? Let's take a look at this thing. You know what I mean? It's not too bad of a piece outside of that one flaw. You know what I mean? But like I said, let's not blame them. Tell me what y'all think of this. I'm going to be doing a comparison soon with 2 other companies that I previously reviewed or previewed or whatever y'all want to call it. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Take a look at it. Hip Hop Bling, man. They usually come, you know what I mean, intact. They usually come correct, you know what I mean? So I won't knock them for this one. But this is what the kind of stuff they got, you know what I mean? As far as their Jesus piece presentation. It's different. They also got it in rose gold. They got it in other colors too. So y'all might want to check them out if y'all like this style. You know what I mean? If y'all like this style, go check them out. Like I said, don't knock them too much for their flaws. That could have been shipping. Don't want to put it all on them, but nevertheless, I don't think it's worth $164. Just my personal opinion. Y'all give me a thumbs up on this video. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if y'all think it's worth that much, or let me know what y'all think of this piece. By the way, shout out to another YouTuber too. I am Gmail. I am Gang Mel. However you say his name. I know he's on Instagram and YouTube. Check in when I do the Jesus piece comparisons, because you're one of the influencers behind why I've been getting a couple of Jesus pieces. And I'm a cross man myself, as everybody knows, but I've been trying to mess around and experiment with my collection, you know what I mean? So check in with me, homie. You know what I mean? Shout out to you, another YouTuber that shows love and support. I am Gmail, you know what I mean? Holla at him, check out, you know what I mean? He's one of those, you know, connoisseurs with Jesus pieces and nice chains. Go check him out, you know what I mean?
Now we got it.
Yeah.
And everything reciprocal.
1, 2, 3. I'm out.